Here you can see that somebody installed a door handle. Obviously, this is the wrong door handle. It has privacy on one side and the other is a passage. I'm going to first start by removing this door handle, just so you can see. This is supposed to be a privacy lock, which means when you lock it, it should lock your door. But you can see here it's just twisting and turning. It's not locking the door. I'm going to start by removing these two screws that hold the knobs together on each end. We're going to remove one side. Then we're going to remove the other side. This is our new set that we're going to install. The interior latch is already installed. Just want to make sure that you install it properly so that when you close your door, it closes. Every handle you install is going to be different. Just make sure that you install it properly. You don't want it to be this way because it'll obviously make it difficult to close the door. Just make sure you're paying attention to the small details. Bring the other side in. Line up the screws and put them in. Now, while you're doing this, you're going to have to hold both sides. Don't over tighten it. And hand tighten both sides. Here we have a little Allen key screw. This is going to be our Allen key. Take the handle, slide it on. To tighten it, you're going to have to go clockwise. And what's going to happen is, what I mean by tightening is the screw is going to actually start to move towards the handle to secure it. So clockwise, if you go counterclockwise, it's going to push in and then you're going to be able to pull the handle. And don't overdo it. You can see here, it's nice and secure. I'm going to test our handle. Go ahead and lock your door. Lastly, this is the key to open it in case it gets locked. You always want to make sure that you put it on the top of the door frame, but put it on the side where if you ever get locked out, you can go ahead and open it. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.